Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the flower language TikTok trend video using CapCut. So you can start by opening your CapCut apps and head to templates. Now just click on a search column at the top and type in flower language. Okay, this one. Okay, after that just find the the templates that you want. For example, here I'm going to go with this one. So this one is text only. You can also use or find the others. So I'm going to just click on the use template. Just wait until the template is opened. So after the template is open, you can just click on the text right here, and here you can change the text. So let's try to change the name. For example, I'm going to just go with Zane. Click on a check icon, and now you can choose the fast that you want and delete the one that you don't want. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, let's move it here. Oops. Like this. I'm going to also delete this, and now you can just add the flower. And if you want to see the letter, you can just find it in here. Okay, I'm going to just pick this. So just select the flowers based on the name that you want to in the vase. Just like this. The last one. And you are done. So you can see the preview after that. Let's just play it. You can just delete the rest of the letter that you don't want. Okay, so I've already done my flower language, and this is done, just like this. So that's it. That's how you can create the flower language TikTok trend on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.